Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 7.2 and today I will show you how to put your device into boot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold the power key and the volume down. Both keys at the same time, and soon after you should see the boot mode. And there we go. Now in this mode you will use volume keys to navigate, so volume down will scroll down and up. Will go up the list, and you can only see one option at a time at the top, as you can see. And you have start, which goes back to Android, restart bootloader, which just goes back to here. Recovery mode obviously goes to recovery mode. Then you have power off and a couple different boot options, and then it goes back to start. Now whatever you select, you'll then confirm it with the power key. So as you can see now, start is selected as the only option visible, and if I want to accept that, I just press power key, and this will leave the mode as well. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.